jong ka sutnga saipong constituency ka kong Santa Mary Shylla mentaka singi kala Plie paidbah ya ka border police outpost hasnong Mooriap East Giant Hills district kasnong kabaya kaput bat ka jala Assam ya ka program la penbit penbiang da ka tanat pulit jong ka East Giant Hills district ka bahapo ka jingalam u superintendent of police u Giri Prasad IPS layadon ringkat langru u deputy commissioner ka East Giant Hills district u Shivan Chawasti IAS u MDC jong Suma constituency u ba Krizan Langstang u Waheshnong Mooriap u ba Janki Paslen Waheshnong Lagasen u ba Harling Salahe bat ki Waheshnong ki ba nakathan ki paidbah ki khana school bat ki reurang ba ki ba naga district habakren chapang ka menor kabala letno haga jingya kendo jingya ki paidbah kashnong Mooriap bat kishnong mamarjan u pastor jambor paslen ulapan pau daga jingdap ka mensim ka jingsong sikthang bat ka jingsngo khang ni bahaba pet ya ka menor namar ka jingsha thombor ha ki briu runar ki badai ki leno ki bana Assam kabala ja haga khatlai tarik upna yayong ar san kabala bu jings iri ki paidbah kathan bat komta baro ki nongelam shnong jong kate kathan nado kate kapor kilas dang ye ka jingya dan ti jong ki ban wat ki lat jingya da ka ba kila kentu bat dawa ba don kam ban don no da ka police outpost shnong Mooriap bat tongin ngap menta ye ki jingya tho ki ba kambania nai pastor J paslen Kibala ay jingkran haransan, kikan thobru MDC uba Krizan Langstang, Waheshnong Lagasen uba Harling Salahe, bat kiway. Yaka program, lapanyag do Additional Superintendent of Police uba S. Paslen.
Sanmangat! Maju! Cus! Good morning, ma'am. From Al Samangat po, ABSI, Juan, Che, Jama, Sat.
Ina kaliang ikan kuchnong to kuwa khana pi madam house name R1000 san house name R1000 san haga khatli tarik yong bana April R1000 san kamu so R si don hi mdap R house name kajing laluti kajing sedang yo laluti kini kakam barile sedang yung laluti to hakati ka khatli tarik yung bana April arjarsan wan kini ki kai khlau ni na Assam wan ataki ka chnong ko yung i mana wan ataki ka chnong ko yung i luti lut ki waro pat ki em chajun yesem dat bom chok ki khon yung ka chnong bat ko wasnyau sidu to wacha le dei Iman degi security barhau arjarsan ka sarkar debu ko yaki batalian ju em haitai ha kerpong em ki kam les nem ne ki kerpong ne te ra biang ka sarkar ki po arjar khatwi wan biang kini ki militants wan biang kini ki kai klo ne ni Assam wan atak biang ki ka chnong yi but you ong wa syokmen ong wa hagat how to snem arjar khatwi hai por wa po ki wa atak i Omem yo ki wo atak i hadu kate henrei penbang da kate jing siau chlur yong kinong chong chnong yong i lada yap le emper tia bai ne te dau ki wo he yong chnong i yara denji kedong i kite ki kai khlo ban mana kedong ki de go dewa kabai patit dewa perta patit wa poi police ya kedong i te ki kai khlo bat ang gi kamwa yebun te ki kai khlo em henrei do uwi don ni yo ki wokem baragate how to sne madino de yo ki kem pha ye ki police wan ki wokem ona do ni na po chnong yong i
sir to both of you present here sir, my humble request as an MDC from here is what I'm saying is it's a great honor that through the hard work of all the leaders and our present MLA that we are able to launch or means to inaugurate this border outpost today. My humble request is this border outpost now, like Pastor Jambor has told a story. I'm not going to repeat back the story. So this has given more security, more confidence in the people. But in spite of that, my humble is the cases within our locality, within the area, there are so many cases which are coming up, like minor cases, POXO cases. So my humble request is to you, to the women's wing, to the General Police Administration, to our administrative to the deputy commissioner also, that awareness program has to be done from time to time, so that these people will actually come in par with the law at the present time. Otherwise, see, there is still a mindset in the people that getting marriage in villages below 18 is a common thing. If the parents and if the mother from both sides of the family agreeing, it's no. But this should not be the actually case with the present situation. We should actually educate it and give them more awareness.
Part of this occasion today in the inauguration of the Mooriap border outpost. I feel that the presence of this outpost improves the security and the situation of these villages nearby. The police public relation is very important to ensure that there is harmony in the society. In this regard, the presence of the outpost not only improves the feeling of security among the local residents, but also improves the trust among the police and public. Hence, this inauguration of this BOP is very important for overall policing in the East Jaintia Hills district. Sir, Madam, I would give you a special thanks for making it possible. Without you, this is not possible, because when the outpost was created, there was no police personnel initially posted. Then because of Madam gave me pressure telling me that there should be enough armed personnel in the district because my people are suffering or they are not having enough security in the nearby areas, because this is very far from the district headquarters of East Jaintia Hills. So Madam, after following with me now and then, later on, ma'am, it was possible for us to post almost 12 to 13 battalion personnel. Apart from that, also we have posted an ABSI specially for you. Firstly, we have to introduce the ABSI and give the phone number. Okay. So all of you, if any problem in the district or in the nearby area, please contact that ABSI. So we'll be there to provide security to you at any time. And I also would like to give a special thank to our Honorable DGP of Meghalaya, Madam Shisha Nongrang, the Home Department of Meghalaya for making sanctioning funds for this building of this BOP, so that now people here can live peacefully. And if there is any other issues or concerns, as far as this MDC, sir, he has told me that
I would like to thank the government led by our Honorable Chief Minister for realizing the importance of police. Especially the police is only department which has to work 24/7 and many times in very difficult situations. We have a new scheme, Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund, through which we are trying to create better assets for the police department. And I assure you today from this platform that whatever is required from the side of district administration to ensure better serving condition for the police force, we'll try to provide that from our side. So again, we know that this border outpost is very important, as we have seen, as we have listened to the previous speakers, that it is a very emotional and emotive issue for them. And I hope that once the border outpost is, now that the border outpost is established and is functional, so the people from this area will not need to travel far for any concern, be it related to any interstate border issues or any other issues where the police presence or police involvement is required. Again, as mentioned by our Honorable MDC regarding the requirement for awareness programs and awareness drives. So I just had a meeting 2 days back with the District Child Protection Officer regarding the child marriages. And the problem many times is that the child marriages, when happen, they are not reported. No one is coming to report to administration that child marriage has happened. So many times we are not aware also that this thing is happening. Now that from the platform, MDC has informed that this is an issue here in this area. We have also sought the information from all the departments, be it the block office, from education department, from police department, whichever has any data related to child marriages or any such issues for where or related to drug issues where awareness.
Mooriap yang than sumer tengah kuau kit bot kit biang pi kinong kit kam yang chnong yang Mooriap wat kini gitan border yang sumer le snyau bha pat bha yang ki thau ki bhau yang pi namunta ki imlang sa lang yo ki suk ki san kinu ki jing em kam yang pi ini kinu ki jing snyau yang pi wa mp wa snyau pi kam nu yi man ki wasi snyau bha pentip ya gini ki polis yang IWM chen sejan la nem yo phone bikile ile MBE nga ka manomi khwan on pili yepi phone nga yepi man snyau yi ya ki DCSP lo em lang hini wa kido le mat kamu betau SP into the AO ki phone number yang kita ki officer wow yepi pen snyau ye ki kinu ki jing em kam le ni ki jing arkiten wa snyau pi ha ka chnong ka tha yang pi ta snyau bha pentip ham ong ro kan ni kap khian kinu ki kam la wa snyau pi wa jing vat ha chnong yang pi snyau bha pentip ya ki police department wa em hajan yo wan ra ka suko sanya ka chnong yang pi ka te wat hi diliang nga kwa klami pi ta kam tam ye kinong chnong yang ka chnong Mooriap ye kini ngonong kit kam yang ka chnong Mooriap wat kini ki than yang ka border ki korpong ki la ka sen ki ter ki chnong la skia ba kit kya ya ka kam da yo bat pi ka BOP de em go hajan te kinu ki kam ke jingwit skia ba pan tip kit kya kam pi kinong kit kam yang ka chnong morok ko wi kam tan ki he chnong wi ki secretary chnong skia ba pat ye kini kam yang pi to ki nong kit yang ka chnong ka thau te kinu ki kam was em ji skia bi skia ba pan tip chi ka te ko klami pi